Hey guys, welcome back. Today we're going to do an unboxing of our brand new fall 2022 product, the Rainbow Loom Besties mini combo set with bracelet buttons. If you take a look at it, the case and shape looks exactly like our LumiPel mini combo with some new additional upgrades. This kit comes with 2100 dual bands, 2 BFF Loom which are new fun looms, 40 different shapes of buttons, and then 40 stickers for you to personalize your bracelet. And if you take a look at the top right hand corner, you'll see a big 10, which means we're celebrating our 10-year anniversary. We're super excited to show you what we created, so let's open this up. As I mentioned, there are some new upgrades to this case, and it's the handle and the clasp. We added a sturdier handle and clasp, giving you the ability to carry and take your kit wherever you go. First things first, you'll always find a set of instructions for this kit. It will walk you through how to use the BFF Loom, the bracelet buttons, and stickers. Underneath, you'll find our fun BFF Bubble Stickers. Our team has creatively put together some fun icons and messages so that you can put it on your bracelet to give to your friends. Next up is our new BFF Loom. They're in heart shapes and you'll get a pink and turquoise one. Super cute and super easy to use. This is what the front looks like, and if you flip it over, this is the back. Like I said, super easy to use. Place your fingers here, and to make a fishtail bracelet, you start out with the figure 8. Take your second band and place it right on top, and you'll do the same thing for your third band. Now take your bottom band, you're gonna pull it over, and then you're gonna push down in the middle. Now place your fourth band right on top, pull the bottom bands over, and push down. And you're gonna keep on repeating that step until your bracelet is long enough to fit on your wrist. It usually takes around 50 bands to make a fishtail bracelet. And if your bands do clump up like this, what I like to do is pull on the end of the bracelet, and this is when you'll start seeing the fishtail pattern form. Moving on, we have our fun CClips. Can't make anything without these, am I right? You'll notice that we've created some new colors of the CClips, giving you the ability to make lots of bracelets for you and your friends. To use your CClips, it's very simple. I'm going to start by pulling over that bottom band, like this. Then I'm going to take my CClip and hook it onto that last band. Connect both sides of the bracelet and you're done! Onto our new bracelet buttons. They're super fun and cute to use. They come in different shapes and colors, giving you the ability to match it to the bracelet you are making for your friend. To use this, I'm first going to pick a sticker, and then before you put it on, I'm going to make sure that my button's hook is facing downwards. And then all you have to do is place your sticker into the center of the button like this. And you can always move it around if it's not in the center, but be sure to press down once it's in the center. Now I'm going to take my fishtail bracelet and stretch it out like this. And you want to aim for one of the holes so that your button don't fall out when you're wearing it. Make sure it completely goes through on the other side. And while you're adding on your other buttons, be sure it's placed on the same side as your first button. And look how cute this is. I'm going to give this to my friend, but don't tell her yet. There are lots of buttons in this set, so there's enough for every one of your friends. And last but not least, let's take a closer look at our dual bands. What's neat about these is that not only you're getting one color, but 2 out of 1 band. And on top of that, the elasticity of these bands are impeccable, super thick, and look how stretchy it can get. Here are the green bands, yellow, blue, purple, pink, baby blue, and orange. Once you're done making your bracelet, you can put all your tools back into your organizer case, keeping everything nice and organized. Thank you so much for sticking to the end. Be sure to like, subscribe, and comment down below your favorite item out of this kit. I'll see you next time. Bye!